Hi guys, I'm going to provide you with some updates on some stuff that I've been working on with Notepad Enhance. And you'll notice right away that I have some really nice numbers along the side of my text. This is my line number strip. It's pretty flawless, and you can customize it quite a bit. I'm also working on smart tabbing, and smart tabbing can be enabled if word wrap is not enabled. And smart tabbing just tries to keep the caret in line with the spacing, the previous spacing, or the spacing that you're already on. It's hard to explain, but it makes it easier for writing code and whatnot. I did a lot of work on the find and open panel, and that doesn't open when I click it. I gotta fix that. So you just type in a search query. I'm gonna type in update checker and close this. And you have an option to find all the instances of update checker in your user directory or the drive that the application has booted on. And that just, those two options will list it in the data grid view, and you'll notice that I'm listing the file name and then the containing folder, which is the bottom level directory. You can double click on any of these items to open them up in a new tab in the program. You can also use the I'm feeling lucky option, and that will just open up the first instance found of your search query. And currently the program is set to automatically close the find and open panel when you open something. I'm also globalizing the application so that it's accepted in different locales. Right now I've got Portuguese, French, Spanish, and that is not supposed to be there. I'll get rid of that. You have an option to insert a signature when you're editing. It just inserts a signature at the bottom of your document, and by default it's going to be your username, but you can set it to whatever. And basically you just hit F7 or click on this menu item, and it will insert your username. So in the menu items you'll have access to this smart tabbing option and the line number options. I try to keep the most accessed options in the menu items here, and then everything else will go into the preferences. You have the option to check for updates, and right now mine's up to date. If it wasn't, it would take me to the latest download for the latest version of the program. So almost every programmer has made a text editor in their time, and this is the one that I made, that I started when I started programming in C#, and I just kept working on it. I kept implementing everything that I learned into this program, and it turned out really good. It's been revised several times. It's on version like 9 or something ridiculous like that now. I go by major revision, minor revision, tweaks, and then builds. I don't actually keep track of builds. I chose the Eclipse public license because it supersedes the common public license, which is a popular open source license. I really don't know much about these licenses. You may just disregard the licenses and use the code for whatever you want, as long as you understand the code. Also, I would like the credit for the code, though it's not really a big deal. And if I find my code in a paid program, I will find you and destroy you.